DRDO launches indigenous assault rifle Ugram in collaboration with a private firm to meet operational requirements of the armed forces, paramilitary and state police forces. Ugram is 7.62 by 51 mm caliber assault rifle with effective range of 500 meters which weighs less than 4 kilograms with 20-round magazine. Indian Army has unveiled its unique hybrid tank Atharva that seamlessly combines the main body of the T-72 tank with the advanced turret of T-90 Bhishma. This integration aims to leverage strength of both tanks, combining the battle-tested reliability of the T-72 with the advanced features of the T-90 Bhishma turret. The Chief of Naval Staff unveiled first indigenous Drishti 10 Starliner drone for the Indian Navy. The Drishti 10 Starliner is an advanced intelligence surveillance and reconnaissance platform boasting 36-hour endurance with payload capacity of 450 kg. South Korea is preparing to mass-produce its domestically developed Taipers air-launched anti-tank guided missiles which will go into mass production from 2024 to 2031. Taper missile has smokeless solid propellant rocket motor which gives it a cruise speed of about 200 meters per second and a maximum strike range of 8 kilometers which can penetrate up to 1,000 millimeters of rolled homogeneous armor.